Good morning everyone. I'm here in this tourist spot here in Singapore, Botanical Garden. I'll show you the inside. I'm here in the entrance near the highway. This is the view outside. That is the MRT. The MRT from Brown Line. So I will be going here to the entrance. This is in the Brown Line and in Circle Line. So this is the view here. So very nice here. So many people. So I'm going there. This is Bukit Timah Gate. Today is cooling day. Looks like raining this afternoon. I'm here at the entrance of Bukit Timah Gate. That entrance is the main gate from Bukit Timah, from MRT, Orange Circle Line and Brown Line. So I'm here already. Hi, good morning everyone. My friends was there maybe because they're doing yoga today.
It's actually not that many. Most schools have pretty modest ones.
Sure.
I didn't want to say, oh, there's multiple.
Very nice flowers. There's a bench there. This is open fields. There's so many people doing morning jogging, walking, yoga. So this is the entrance from main road. This is Bukit Timah Gate. See Bukit Timah Gate. So if you want to have drinks there, you can go there and have drinks. Then that one, if you have to go running, or some are doing morning exercise and yoga.